Hello students, this is Dhanush Gangwani. I am a chartered accountant and have been teaching students across Bangalore, Pondicherry, Chennai and Udupi. I hope you all are fine and your studies are going well. At Ekcel Academy, we have come up with a crash course for corporate and management accounting for CS executive students. Your exams are in December and by now you should have completed one round of studies and are now probably wondering what to revise and from where to revise. Then this crash course is for you. In this crash course, we will have an overview of the entire syllabus, touch upon major areas in a small period of time, therefore enhancing your preparation and giving you the confidence required for the exam. At the end of the crash course, we also provide you with a question paper which you can attempt to assess your preparation. Looking forward to see you all in an online classroom from 6th November onwards for about 3 hours a day. See you there.